A deluge of problems broke on to Bengaluru's Yelahanka and Mahadevpura zones as an hour of heavy rain measuring 138 mm on Sunday night flooded homes and apartment complexes. According to the reports, Kendriya Vihar apartment complex in Yelahanka zone in the outskirts of the city was flooded after 3 nearby lakes started to overflow due to heavy rain. BBMP Chief Gaurav Gupta, SDRF personnel and fire and emergency response teams rushed to the spot and rescued the people who were stranded using boats. Speaking to the reporters, BBMP Chief Gaurav Gupta said, the average rainfall in November month is only about 30 mm, but on Monday it received record rainfall resulting in floods. He also contended that the building seems to be in violation and said that there will be an inquiry. After the residents were rescued, they were provided with food, water and snacks.